What if I told you Microsoft's latest Windows 11 Insider build doesn't introduce a single flashy feature, but could make your PC feel faster every day? Microsoft just dropped another Windows 11 26 H1 Insider PB build 28120.2302 to the latest experimental channel. And honestly, this could be one of the most meaningful updates in the next phase of Windows 11. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. And today in this video, I'm gonna break through all the new features, changes, and bug fixes to the build number 28120.2302. So, without getting further delayed, let's get started. For a long time, Insider updates have been about one thing: what's new? The build takes a different approach. Microsoft appears to be asking, how can Windows simply work better? Instead of redesigning interface, they're improving how quick Windows responds on your action. How fast does the start menu opens? How quickly search bar reacts? How responsive does the desktop feel? Those tiny delays add up, and Microsoft is targeting exact those moments. If these changes work as intended, Windows should simply feel smoother. One of the biggest improvements involves app launches. Microsoft says Windows now starts programmed executable process faster. In simple terms, apps you actively open should begin launch more quickly. You won't suddenly turn older hardware to a high-end machine, but opening Outlook, File Explorer, or your favorite browser should feel a bit more immediate. Small improvements repeated through the day can noticeably improve the experience. Microsoft also refining some of the most used part of Windows: the start menu, the search bar, and quick settings. If you ever click Start or open storage and notice a brief hesitation, you're definitely not alone. These little pause have frustrated users for years. But build number 28120.2302 aims to reduce those delays, so those core experience responds more naturally. You probably won't think about it, you just notice when it's getting out of your way. And that's exactly what users want. Here is where things get interesting. Microsoft doesn't officially announce a major feature tied to these improvements. However, many observers believe this were connected to the ongoing low latency profile testing. The concept is straightforward. The moment Windows detects user interaction, it may temporarily prioritize responsiveness. Just right-click on the desktop, and response is there. Open Start menu, and you can notice sudden spike on my CPU usage. And this results response as quickly as possible. Microsoft doesn't share all the details yet, but these changes suggest Microsoft is investing heavily in reducing perceived lag through their operating system. Windows Search is also getting an upgrade. If you've ever misspelled an app name and third search failed to find it, this improvement's for you. Search is becoming more forgiving. I just type UT-lock instead of Outlook. Windows actually understands what I mean to say, and it search Outlook for me. It sounds small, but millions of users will benefit from the search experience that adapts to normal typing mistakes. Microsoft is also improving how settings appear in search. Previously, useful settings could get buried beneath less relevant results. With this update, important system settings should rank higher. You can see, I've searched for reset, and reset this PC is on the top result, and rest others are beneath reset this PC result. This means less hunting through menus and fewer unnecessary clicks. It's another example of Microsoft's improving everyday usability instead of reinventing Windows. There is also a small but welcome fix for power user and IT administrators. Task Scheduler now remember customization columns with across sessions. If you've adjusted those columns before and had Windows forget your layout, you know how annoying it could be. It's not a headline feature, but it's a quality of life improvements many users have been asking for. For checking Windows updates, there is one important detail. These features are rolling out through Microsoft Control Feature Rollout system. That means not every insider will receive everything immediately. These improvements are being released gradually to different groups of testers. If you're in the experimental channel and want to update sooner, Microsoft recommends enabling this option. Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Just turn this toggle on. Even then, availability may vary. So don't worry if you don't see every change right away. So overall, build number 28120.2302 isn't the kind of update that grab headlines. There is no flashy redesign or massive feature drop. Instead, Microsoft's focusing on little things that shape how Windows feels every day. Faster app launches, more responsive start menu, smarter search, fewer moment hesitation, And sometimes those improvements matters more than flashy additions. So what do you think? Would you rather see Microsoft focus on speed and reliability? Would you prefer bigger feature and visual changes? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab and turn notifications on so you don't miss our next upload. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.